Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on this settings app icon, go down, select general, go down, select transfer or reset iPhone, then select reset. From this list we need to select reset network settings. Enter screen lock password. Then select reset network settings. Select it. Now reset operation is in progress. So this way we can reset only the network settings and fix all Bluetooth related issues. For example, Bluetooth device is not pairing, Bluetooth devices are not listing. In those situations, you can try to reset network settings and fix those issues. Even if we are facing issues with Wi-Fi or internet, in those situations also you can try to reset network settings and address those issues. Now phone is starting, please wait. Okay, done. Let me log in. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all Bluetooth issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.